Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change team in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. For this, you need to click on game plan at the bottom of your screen. From inside game plan, you can see your current team's logo at the left corner of your screen. Click on your current team's logo. From over here, you can see the option called base team settings. Click on base team settings, the second last option. From over here, the first option where it says base team, click on it. Now from this area, you can switch your team. So over here, first you need to choose the continent. So the team I'm looking for is on the continent of South America. So I will choose South America. Now inside South America, it falls under the Argentinian league. So I will click on Argentinian league. Now from over here, I'm going to choose Atletico de RB, the fourth one. That is the team I want. After I click on it, I will see a tick mark right beside the name. Once I see the tick mark, I can click on done, and just like that, my team will be changed. So that is the way on how you guys can change team in eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.